Hi, Jamaicans.com. It's been too long, and for those of you who don't know me, my name is Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. I'm a contributor on Jamaicans.com, and I have my own blog, livewellja.com. And I took a break from doing live videos and sharing with you guys, but guess what? I'm back and I'm going to be very, very consistent. My mentor Xavier Murphy will be on me if I don't. So, and not only that, I really like interacting with you. I see a couple people coming in, so pretty quickly just tell me where you're connecting from. We are discussing the big topic today, dancehall artist Spice changing her skin color. Like, wanna see a picture? Okay, I'm going to try to pull it up on my other phone so that you can see it. So let me just hold this phone up here and switch the camera. So if you can see, this is Spice, dancehall artist Spice now. This is her skin color, and she is, if you read the caption, it says, "Nothing is wrong with a fresh start. My mixtape is ready. No pre-order today on for pre-order today on all platform. Pre-order yours and tag me." So clearly she is promoting. Screen went blank. Hold on. Yeah. So clearly she is promoting her mixtape. All right, I get that. All the way from Miami. Hi Teresa. Hi Heather. Heather, where are you connecting from? Brentwood, New York. Big up yourself. So tell me what you think about this, because I was watching Spice Instagram live just a few moments ago, and she's saying, and for those of you who don't know dancehall artist Spice, she's probably one of the most prominent dancehall artists who have made her name on the international stage. She's a recent cast member of Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, you understand, representing Jamaica there in Atlanta, and she recently decided to change her skin color to lighten her skin color. So she was usually identified as a dark-skinned lady, and she recently changed her skin color. Brooklyn is in the house. Orlando is in the house. Fort Lauderdale. I was just in Fort Lauderdale. Awesome city. All right, guys. So my name is Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, for those of you who don't know. And as I was saying before, we're going to be talking. I'm going to be sharing with you guys, sharing my views with you, and I want you to share your views with me. Every week, I'll have a different topic to talk about, and it's really centered around London is in the house, and it's really centered around issues that we as Caribbean, as Jamaican people contend with, not only in Jamaica, but just overall anywhere you are in the world. Because if you realize, Spice changing her skin tone, many people are speculating that she actually did it, that she bleached her skin, while other people said, it's makeup. But even just the move to do that, what do you think about it? What do you think about her changing her, lightening her skin tone just for promoting her music? She said one of the songs on her mixtape, and I was listening to her live performance, watching her live performance, she was saying that as black people, as Caribbean people, as Jamaican people, we are hypocrites. Why she said that? All right, she said if you have dark skin, people, depending on the time of year, the season, they will say, yeah man, big up yourself, your skin dark and nice and so. But in another space or at another time, they'll see you, probably sunburn you, and when sunburn you and they hit the black skin, it shine. She said, people say, look on her skin, man, she look awful like him, black like tar. And make those derogatory statements. So she says in her song that, look here, now I'm brown, what are you gonna say about it? I don't know what you guys, and for those of you who haven't seen it as yet, I'm going to be sharing the photo with you from time to time. So I'm just gonna switch back the camera. So this is Spice now. For those of you who don't know Spice before now, this is how she was a dark-skinned lady, and she recently decided to change. She's a Jamaican, by the way, a dancehall artist, right? I would say she's one of my favorite dancehall artists. Yes, I love Spice music. I just want to look at some of your reactions. I love her natural skin tone. Yeah, I mean, for me, I'll share my personal views soon, but I want to hear what you guys have to think. But I love everything natural. Look here, my hair was processed and I could not manage it. I can't even manage it natural. But I decided to just, trim it off and keep it to a height where I think I can manage it a little bit, right? And I love it. I love being natural. Jacqueline Lopez says, I thought she was beautiful before. So what are you saying now? She's no longer beautiful? What are you saying? Joanna Mowatt, hey cousin. That's my namesake. Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, that's my name. You have an angry face. And Kevin Wilson saying, can you get one before? Okay, let me see if I can get a photo of her before. Sure, I'm going to try to pull that up. When I'm telling you that this is a major transformation in this woman's life, she's known as a dark-skinned woman. If you follow dancehall culture, you will know that Spice is of a dark skin tone. So this morning she putting out there that she's no longer dark skinned, she's a light skinned. It really set social media in a frenzy. I mean, she recently deleted all of her posts on Instagram, and she said one of the reasons she did that was that she's launching this campaign now to promote her mixtape, and her mixtape is focused, some of the songs are focused on colorism and why it is that we need to address this issue. So I have a photo of her, how she was before, and then let me just pull it up. I'm just trying to use Google. You just Google everything. Alright, so this is Spice before now. Let me switch the camera. So this is Spice before now. This is how she used to look, right? And let me see if I can get, so that was her, how she used to look. And so this is an article I found on Google. Oh, it's on JamaicanMusic.com. I thought it was going to say Jamaicans.com. I'm just going to capture some of the reactions that you guys are sharing with me. Say, good evening, look, I don't think she actually bleached. I think she's making a statement. Alright, Hillary, but what's the statement that is being made? Didn't think it was necessary to change. She's still... Okay, we're reconnected. If that's what makes her happy, but I love her dark skin. Yeah, I saw some comments like that saying that, if that is what she chooses to do, she's actually doing it to promote her music. And this is not the first time you'll see a dancehall artist, a Caribbean artist, do some body enhancement for their music. Should we be doing that? Should we be to what extent will we market ourselves to get our name out there, to get brand Jamaica out there, right? How can she talk about woman empowerment? Alright, that's Kiri Fort. Please tell me where you're checking in from. It's a publicity stunt. That's what you're saying, Alison Maria. I saw her the other day and she looks the same. So Pauline is saying that she looks the same. When you say she looks the same, as in she's still of dark complexion, or she is now of light complexion? Explain what you mean, Pauline Sterling. She said it's lies. Alright, so are you saying then that she is this is all a publicity stunt? Paul Stevens said black is beautiful always. Neely said follow fashion. But guys, let's just look at something very important. What do you think about colorism in Jamaica? Not only Jamaica, but among Jamaicans. Do you think we really discriminate based on people's skin color? I can tell you from my personal experience, I can totally understand why Spice decided to do this. I can understand the reasoning, because colorism, based on my experience, is very much alive in Jamaica and very much alive in many parts of the world. I can tell you, I haven't traveled far and wide. I've just been to the United States of America and my island. I've traveled around my island, work around my island, and I'm telling you, based on my skin color, people treat me differently than some. Okay, we're reconnected again. The Wi-Fi is inconsistent, so if at any time you're not hearing me clearly, just let me know. Faye Anderson said, them crazy, satisfy how you are. Oh, Pauline says makeup and lighting. Okay, so Pauline looked like she has the insider detail. Thank you, Pauline. Cocos Marcos Augustus, I hope I'm pronouncing the name right, say she just do not accept herself. Well, you know, she did say that she is promoting her new mixtape, Captured, and one of the songs on her mixtape is about, the title of the song is Black Hypocrisy, and it's about colorism in Jamaica and the fact that, you know, we discriminate people based on their skin color. So now she's going all out and just change her skin color so to see, you know. I think it is a publicity stunt. I do believe it's a publicity stunt. I do believe it's a marketing ploy, but I understand the reasoning, because I think that is a big issue that we have in Jamaica. And if we be honest with ourselves, we really treat people of lighter complexion different. It's like it's so ingrained in our minds, in our brain. I don't know if anyone agree with me. You can tell me what you think. Patricia Robinson said the bleacher is getting out of hand. Well, I don't know if I'm a journalist, right? I'm a journalist by profession, and I follow, that's what I do. I follow current affairs, and particularly I follow entertainment news based on where I'm currently working. I can't even say again, or we're reconnected. I don't think Spice is doing this for anybody. I think she's doing it, as I said, it's a marketing ploy. It is for her brand. So if she needs to make a point and go to the extent of changing her skin tone, then albeit. Shamar Marcos says St. Lucia's isn't like that. I never knew Jamaica was so. Really? Do we have any other St. Lucians? I do know a couple St. Lucians who may disagree with you, Shamar. I don't think I totally agree with you. Joanna said the fact that she puts this out there and it is now a hot topic, she has made her point. Look at that. Incidentally, when I decided this morning that okay, I'm going to go live on Jamaicans.com, I had a few topics in mind to discuss. But when this came, when she posted and when she went live and people, you know, I saw the change in her skin tone, I was like, I need to talk about this. So you have a point, Joanna. Hillary says marketing, she's making a statement and I love it. Yes, she's making a powerful statement. I think she's making a powerful statement. I just hope it's not permanent. That's just me. I just hope that this statement that she's making, just like how actors go on stage, and even though you enjoy these plays and these movies, there are always messages, heavy, strong messages. The best movies carry the strongest messages. So I just hope that's what she's doing, and it's not real. Like, I'm gone with my black skin. I love all thing natural, and I'm not color prejudiced. I don't identify myself as color prejudiced. So if you're born, people would say I'm orange, which I think is a bit offensive. But if you're born light skin, you're born light skin. Your skin color that. If you're born dark skin, you're dark skin same way, and you're still beautiful. It doesn't really matter whether you are dark, light. It doesn't matter. We're all, you know, funny enough, we're all black people. All shades of black. That's it. That is it. Right? But I think she wants, as an artist and given her platform, she wants to make a strong point. How could she get like that? She was in Sweden black. I saw her. I don't understand. Well, you know, come on, guys. You if you do your research, you'll know how easy it is to lighten your skin. There's so many, based on advances in technology, there's so many ways to lighten your skin overnight. overnight too. Hillary says Spice is smart, intelligent, and articulate. I can't wait to hear what she has to say. Well, I don't know if the live is still going on, but she's doing a live performance of some songs on her mixtape. I think 10 of them. At Happilus 21, that's the music distribution company. So if you want to go over to her Instagram page, you can, and check that out. And just check out her music. I mean, her music is usually message music. All if she had throw word pan a girl, which she does, it's always message music. Shamar says change to white because black doesn't work or isn't nice. I don't think, as I tell you, I don't think she is saying black doesn't work. I mean, she got a major deal being casted as a member of the Love and Hip Hop Atlanta crew. So I don't think, and she's been doing so many things. She's been touring, touring as a dark-skinned woman. So I don't think it's a matter of, oh, me like my skin now if we reach further in her life. I wouldn't say that. Nelly Wilkins said black just like me. Yeah, I mean, and it's proud to, I think we need to acknowledge this. So I don't think Jamaica is a racist country. I don't think so. I don't think Jamaicans are racist. I don't. But I think we have a colorism issue. I think we are colorists. I think that's a word. Joel said, I have so much cut that stay black. I try so much stuff and I still stay black. What the? I don't understand still. I for call Spice to help with my bubble them. Okay. Pauline says she never had to do it before, so why would she do it now? As I tell you, she's promoting her song, Black Hypocrisy, and you should probably check it out, guys. She's very much, you can find her information. Well, she's posting updates about her new mixtape. It's available for pre-order on Happilus 21, so you can check it out and see the reason behind it. I was brought to discuss this topic based on the fact that she did such a bold move to prove a point about colorism in Jamaica. Just like that. I am going to write a song about it, and I'm not only just going to write a song. My marketing strategy for this song is to lighten my skin. Anne-Marie Morris says soon get cancer. Ooh, okay, so I won't wish cancer on no one. So I don't agree with you, Anne-Marie. Hilary Robertson, as for colorism, it is unfortunate that we don't accept the variety of our race. That's so true, because I find, and for all of the other Caribbean people watching this live, I'm Jamaican and I'm proud to be Jamaican. I think Jamaicans are some beautiful people. We're probably the most beautiful in the Caribbean. Joanna said Jamaica has two unspoken issues, colorism and classism. What? Joanna, you're speaking the truth today. She says we always spout out of many one people, but yet colorism is still prevalent. So prevalent. So prevalent, and it's not even subtle. It's very much, people say, boy, back in the days you couldn't see much dark-skinned people working in banks and as teachers, but I'm sorry, we still have dark-skinned people being turned away from jobs in Jamaica based on their skin color. We still have people feeling the need to lighten their skin, to lighten some parts of their body because they want attention from their partner. We still see people, we still have that mental, how should I classify it? We're still enslaved in a sense where if somebody of a lighter complexion enters the room, we automatically believe that that person is the one with authority. Tell me if I lie, may I tell. Just tell me if I lie, may I tell. Higher Royalty said, that's a finna song. She just want to be light skinned. I don't think so. Bleaching. Yeah. So I don't think we'll ever get over. And Diana Mowatt is watching. Hi, Diana. Guys, that's my mom. And for those of you just joining us, so this is Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, and Michelle is asking, is it permanent or temporary? That is what we're trying to find out. Because, you know, with technology, there are so many ways you can lighten your skin without actually physically doing it. You can take a photo and Photoshop, right? So let me show you. For those of you, we are discussing colorism specifically. Today, October 22, Dancehall Artiste Spice posted a photo on her Instagram page showing a photo of herself as a light-skinned woman, and this is the photo that I'm talking about, and this is the post, and she says, nothing wrong with a fresh start. She is also promoting her mixtape. She says, my mixtape is ready for pre-order today on all platforms. And you know, she's also doing a live video. She's currently performing live some of those songs on her mixtape, and one of the songs is called Black Hypocrisy. And basically what she's saying is that, you know, as Jamaicans, as black people, we are hypocrites, and we have a big issue when it comes to colorism. And this skin lightening move is her way of bringing light to that issue. So I won't be here for long. As I tell you, I'm going to be doing this every week. You can't tell which day, so you have to stay locked on Jamaicans.com Facebook page, but I'm going to be consistent. I'm saying it because I really like interacting with you. I really enjoy talking to people all the way from London, New York, Fort Lauderdale. Tell me where if you're just joining us, just tell me where you're coming in from. I hope it's just for the video because you have a beautiful skin tone. I agree. Natural dark skin Spice is cute, beautiful. Norma says, I just saw that and was wondering how is if somebody not happy with them color. I think for some it's a thing of being more accepted. Jamaica people surely are not racist, but okay, I lost that. Hold on. Oh, this is a long one. Alright, so Jamaica people surely not racist, but the colorism problem has become an epidemic with the onslaught of social media and others seeming ways are doing and what others are doing and want it. The variety of colors in Jamaica, I can't pronounce that one. All out of this slum as we, it all stem from ignorance, and it goes on. Thank you so much, Norma Allen, for sharing. Diana says, I don't like bleaching. It sends a negative message. Feel proud in whatever skin you are. I mean, I think as artists, we also have to be mindful that as entertainers, as athletes, who else? As models, their body, their voice, every part of their body is part of their business. I'm sorry to say, but it's the truth. So when you see them bleach them skin, them tattoo them face, them tattoo them eye, it's all a part of their work. So to me, I think it's just part of Spice promoting, as she said, promoting her music. Listening from London, Caroline, thank you so much for joining. Higher Royalty said, not all of we is no hypocrite. Me talk for. I was born in Jamaica but live in the Bronx, New York. But tell me something, Aya. Is this colorism issue present among the Jamaican population in the Bronx? Tell me about it. You understand? I think we just need to be a little bit honest about ourselves. Hello from Arizona. Hi. What's the weather like in Arizona today? It's very sunny and beautiful in Jamaica today. I love this page. It gives me a great opportunity to connect with my heritage, as it is hard to do so in Arizona, really. Guys, if you use Jamaicans.com, I really love this page because I get to connect with so many Jamaicans and so many people who love Jamaican culture from right across the world. I missed you guys. For most of you who did not remember my face, who may not remember my face, I think it was last year. I don't think it was last year. I think it was earlier this year. I did a couple live videos with you guys, sharing updates across Jamaica whenever I get the chance. And I took a break from it, but I'm back now. And I totally agree with that lady from Arizona where she says that this is just a great platform to connect with people of our heritage. Rosemary says, and the hair, does she, hey, one two Jamaicans were expressive, you know? And the hair, does she have to have long blonde hair? The Caucasian envy will never die among us. Yeah, that in and of itself is an issue. The Caucasian envy. Vibes actually did bleach. Where is his backlash? He did get backlash though, Hillary. He did. Hi from London, watching from Warner Robins, Georgia. Big up yourself, Jackie from Georgia. Jody and Gail said, that's sad. No one is going to love her more for her new skin tone. We love her for her talent. But look up on the issue, as I said, that she is discussing colorism. Is it present in Jamaica? How are you contributing to the presence of colorism in Jamaica? Do you really discriminate people based on their skin tone yet? And now break it down. Do we treat people differently because of how them look? Like if them skin lighter, do we automatically assume that they are the person who is in authority or who is in control? Do we? Do you understand? Are we more likely to say good morning to somebody who is dark, who is light skinned, but walk past somebody else who is dark skinned? Like really put the conversation, put the discussion in context in your own life and assess it. That's what I do. Haya say, you have a beautiful skin tone yourself. We just need to love ourselves. That is it. Thank you. And I love my skin tone. And I love dark skinned people. You understand? Philadelphia in the building. Rodolph, big up yourself. Alright, so I won't be here for long, and I really enjoyed the interaction with you guys. As I tell you, my name is Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, and I'll be here every week talking about a trending topic. Please go ahead and share this live. You can find me on social media, Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, on all platforms, on Instagram, on Facebook. You can check out my blog, livewellja.com, and I really look forward to connecting with you on Jamaicans.com. I contribute to this blog at least once per week, and I am committed to doing this live at least once per week. Richard Taylor says, listening from New Jersey, they don't make them like you no more. Thank you, Richard. Thank you. I think each one teach one, right, Richard? So if it is that you find that the people around you need to be edified, edify them. Pinks reads, my issue is being asked constantly if I'm bleaching. Well, if you're not bleaching, you're not bleaching. You're not entitled to respond to anyone. Higher Royalty say, I personally wouldn't do it, and I'm a lovely dark skin sister. Yeah, and don't treat nobody different cause of skin. That's awesome. So guys, this week let us be mindful of how we treat people, and let's not be influenced by their let's not allow our behavior to be influenced by their skin tone. Have a beautiful week. I know it starts already. Monday basically finished. Well, almost finished. We're in the afternoon in Jamaica. And I see you next week. Take care.